And I hope that you've been thinking of me. Yeah. Hey, y'all. It's like, let me see what time is this. It's 4:21, y'all. I'm just now getting on here because ain't nothing been going on besides me big chilling, y'all. And right now, I was about to go to Subway and the 99-cent store, y'all. It's another you buy or they buy, I fly situation going on. I told y'all, everybody knows. Ask Dominique. She'll go. I sure will go if I'm getting something out of it. So that's where I'm going, y'all. I was going to give me a sandwich for free. And then I'll go to the 99-cent store because last night during my eating window, don't get me wrong, I ate my baby hot Cheetos and she said. So I got to buy my baby some more hot Cheetos. And I was going to give me some chips too because I haven't ate anything yet, you guys. What time is it? I just told y'all. It's 4:22 and I stopped eating last night like at 1:30 like I told y'all. So I still haven't had any water, any food, anything, y'all. So that's a plus. And I got on that scale this morning, y'all, and that scale is on fire. Ooh, that scale is on fire, y'all. I was going to record and show y'all the results, but I'm like, no. Y'all know my weigh-in days is Saturday, so I was going to show y'all Saturday, but I saw it and it's on fire, you guys. I'm so freaking happy. Can I back up some more? Nah, I ain't chancing it, y'all. I ain't trying to bump nobody's car. And I damn sure ain't trying to bump this truck. So hold on, y'all. Hold on. Look around there. Oh, can't see back there. Okay, eyes in the clear. But yep, y'all, I'm about to go get the sandwiches. It's 3 for $18 right now. Foot longs too. So if y'all craving a sandwich, go get you 3 of them things. I'm only getting one because there's 3 of us and Little Honey. So we all gonna share with Little Honey. And then all get our own. So that's what's going on, you guys. I'm so freaking happy. I love dry fasting, you guys. Dry fasting is key. Oh, Matt Caroline, she told me, it seems like that's the key. That was the key for me. Yes, it is, to just dry fast. And that scale is going down, y'all. I'm so freaking excited and happy for the next weigh-in. I'm going to stick this thing out this time, y'all. I have to. I had a little family gathering yesterday, so they got to see me. They got to see me in, what's this, October? And then we're going to come together again for Thanksgiving. And then we're going to come together again for Christmas, because that's why we went there yesterday, was to pull names. So they're going to see the changes. And I can't freaking wait, y'all. But I'll see you guys in the next clip, whatever that's going to be. you guys, I just got gas. Y'all seen that? Y'all seen that? So now I can't skip a mission to the 99-cent store. They're gonna be mad because they think I'm coming right back with the sandwiches, but I can't skip the 99. So see you guys on the inside part. You guys, they shouldn't be that pressed about it because look, the 99-cent store is right there and Subway is just there. So I'm not gonna be here long. Let's go see what I could find. Well, not really what I could find. I know a couple of stuff that we need. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just grab some stuff that we need. Oh, I'll take you, little lonely basket. I'll take you. It's okay. Oh. All right, y'all. Let me tell y'all why the music stopped. I'm getting this, a loaf of bread, my boost some Doritos to go with his sandwich, my little honey 2 cans of these, some strawberries, her hot Cheetos, my hot Cheetos, some mayo, and some sunflower seeds. And that's it, you guys. Alright. That's all I want. But is it what I need? Nope. It's okay. I wanted some soda last night, so that's why I'm getting some soda. Alright, y'all. Music starting back. Last minute decision, you guys. Oh, I wonder if Flow is approaching. Something to think about. $12.68 for the loot. Alright, you guys. Now let me put this stuff in my bottle and go on to get the sandwiches and head back home before I have a bunch of invisible people there when I get home. They talking about they so hungry they turning invisible. Because I had to do my makeup and stuff first because I had to talk to you guys. I don't want to come on here looking crazy, so y'all can turn a little halfway invisible till I get back. Alright, I'll see you guys in Subway. See you guys. 3 for $18. Well, $18.99, so 20 something. Look at that. Ooh, that's new. Naturally pit smoked brisket. I bet that ain't part of the top 3. Look at those little guys. Ooh. Alright, y'all. It always smells good when you first walk inside a Subway. OMG, did I forget the list? I think I forgot the list. I think I remember what everybody wants. Oh, they got music on. Okay, you guys. once I get home and eat. So that's where I'm on my way now, you guys. Alright. Y'all, look who came to help me grab the loot. My boo.
I've been chilling.
Get out the camera's on the other side, ugly. Dang, all up in the mix. Ugh, disgusting. I don't want my hair to look like a pillow. Alright, you guys. So you guys, it's a little over, well, it's 6:07, and I'm officially about to break my fast. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I earned it. I've officially been dry fasted for a little over 17 hours. Yes. And I'm about to dig in, you guys. Let me show you guys what I'm breaking my fast with. So all my true real ones knew this. Fruit. And I found the tallest cup that I could put some water in, y'all. And I'm going to drink about 4 or 5 of these during my eating window. And this is my little honey's fruit. She going to put whipped cream on hers, so I'm going to do mine. Why not? Live a little. So, well, live a lot. That's a lot. But I might even go get some more, because I can do that. It's my time to eat. But that's what's going down right now, you guys. That's not mine. This is mine. And yes, let me grab my vitamins while I'm thinking about it. Oh, and 2 of these motis. That's 1. 2 orange. I'll take it. Alright, you guys. It's going down. I'll be back. You happy you about to eat your fruit, girl?
I made these from...
She loves eating hers with a toothpick, you guys. Honey bunny. Alright, go ahead. When I'm done eating, we got to conquer that head of yours, okay? We got to do your hair, because you got school tomorrow.
Bye. Hit the like button. Make sure you watch Instagram and we will be there. Bye.
No, we won't go YouTube.
Make sure you go to YouTube and watch our videos. Bye.
How many of y'all feel bad for what's about to happen to this sandwich? It just is what it is. This post sandwich never had a chance, you guys. It never had a chance. And that's my soda in a little mug. And some hot Cheetos. It was nice knowing you, little sandwich, but you got to get down the hatchet. Alright, y'all. I'll be back to show y'all what I didn't eat. And as far as that fruit, I ought to be ashamed of myself how much more whipped cream I added to that fruit. But it is what it is. Most likely unflow is the reason why, but it's okay. It's okay. This is going down, y'all. It's going down. Oh, look at it. Just look at it. Maybe just want to cooperate. Alright, y'all. Let me go handle my business while I still got time. Time to shine. Well, you guys, this is my dessert. I'm about to eat these 2 for dessert. And I ended up tearing that whole sandwich and chips and soda up. I actually ended up getting a half cup more of soda. But after this, I'm going to close my window. And it is 7:12. So I'm going to close my eating window after these 2 things. But I'm going to leave my water window open till like 8:30. Because I want to drink some more water. And then that's it, y'all. So... what time is it?
What time?
Yeah, well, maybe like till 8. So that'll be an hour and a half that an hour that I ate, and an hour and 15 minutes that I ate, and then 45 minutes more for me to drink water. And that's it, you guys. All right, I'll be back. Stay right there. So this is the finished product, y'all. Ooh, shake them hair, baby. Hold on. Turn around. She's fresh out the bathtub, you guys. Yes, you guys, my little honey is ready for the week. And it's 10:23, and I just got done cockering the dishes while she was in the bathtub. Aww. I love you, baby. You can't be too close, Mommy, because they
Give
can...
it a big thumbs up. Hit.
Subscribe
Subscribe
and comment.
and comment below.
There you go. Love you, baby.
Love you too, you guys.
Ooh,
I love your guys' video. Next. I don't know.
Okay, that's all.
Blah.
Okay, girl. Ooh. Y'all, it is now 10 o'clock at night, and the best thing for me to do would be to just go to sleep. But I would rather be on that bus tomorrow like, yes, I'm about to go home and eat. Ooh, my food done. Instead of thinking, I got to go home and cook, then I can eat. So, we about to make some spaghetti, y'all, for the week. Let's go cook. finished product. Here goes the neuters, the thirst, and the sirs. Yeah. Ooh. Now I can come home and eat tomorrow. And I gotta worry about coming home and cooking. So yeah, that's it, you guys. The sirs, the neuters. I mean the bread, the thirst, and the neuters. All right, you guys. Hey. Hey y'all, it's 1:53 in the morning. I gotta work tomorrow, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all because y'all my real ones, okay? We up in there getting lifted in the mug. I'm up in there having drinks, y'all. The drink I was supposed to have yesterday, it went down today, so it's going down. Alright, y'all. But before I leave, let me say what I need to say. Hello to all my new real ones, and my old ones, and my new ones, and my stay true ones. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.